Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2003 Lincoln Town Car. Accessing the engine air filter is easy to do, as you only have to disengage a few fasteners for access to the filter. The battery bracket is very easy to remove on this car, making a battery change itself much easier. Checking the oil level is easy to do, as the oil dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. There are many steps required for you to access the headlight on this car. You will need many tools and previous knowledge in order to remove the housing for access. You will also need many tools in order to complete the steps necessary for you to access some of the taillights. Similar to the headlights, this makes this repair much more difficult. The spare tire is located along the side of the trunk. While not difficult to remove, it is a strange location that can make it tougher to pull out the tire. Overall, the 2003 Lincoln Town Car is a relatively easy car to maintain and a good choice for the average car owner.